Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you having problem where you guys have weak brakes or hard brake pedal on your car. Let's say it could be any car, Mercedes, BMW, Volkswagen, German, American, Ford, Chevy, Nissan, Toyota. Guys, you press your brake pedal, it feels hard, okay, and at the same time your brakes are weak, so you need to keep pressing harder so you can actually stop your vehicle. Guys, it could be quite simple fix, but if not fixed on time you can lose your brakes and actually, okay, you can get in an accident, which is quite, guys, quite dangerous, right? Now let's talk about that now. What causes it, what we see here at the garage, how the brake system works. Let's explain now. Here you see that device right here. I want to show you guys, this is the brake fluid reservoir, underneath is the brake pump, and this round big thing, okay, is the brake booster. On the other side of it is the brake pedal. So what happens, that brake booster is controlled by a vacuum line. Okay, you have a big vacuum line somewhere connecting the booster to the engine or brake vacuum pump. You have two ways, okay, to create vacuum for the booster. One is natural through the engine on most cars, and some cars, newer vehicles, especially hybrids, with the one with the start and stop go function, okay, as well, they will have electric vacuum pump. Now, the number one thing for the weak brakes, hard brake pedal, will be leaking brake line. And let us show you, this one failed at two different places, guys. For instance, right here, do you see? Okay, that causes a leak. They crack over time. It's supposed to be really flexible line. Okay, this one turned kind of like into plastic. So eventually, that's the leak right here causing that problem. And he had another one on this side as well that was attempted to be repaired. Never attempt to do that, guys, always replace it. So that's what caused it. Another thing, it could be, okay, we talked brake vacuum line, number one thing. Number two, if you have a brake vacuum pump, test the vacuum pump, make sure it works correctly. If it doesn't, it could be, guys, also brake vacuum pump fuse and relay, because they're controlled by the fuse and relay. But some cars will have brake vacuum pumps, some don't. Number one thing we see here at the garage is the vacuum line leaking. Another one, it could be the booster itself, but it doesn't happen often. In our career, for over 30 years, it happened one time to have a bad brake booster. And I think we messed it up during an engine replacement, so it wasn't even its fault, to be honest with you. So yeah, brake vacuum line leaking will be the number one thing we see at the garage, here at the garage. If you have any questions, guys, do not hesitate to let us know. Please, guys, subscribe, like the video. That way, help us grow the channel together, guys. Our mission is to save you money and help more people. We can reach more people, save more people money, and we can build a community where we save each other money and help each other. Thank you for watching. See you next time.